Jai Narayan, good morning dear student. Myself Vaibhav Jaiswal and I am going to tell you how to participate and register yourself in CBSE Science Challenge 2020. What is CBSE Science Challenge 2020? First of all, you are able to see the science circular which is provided by the CBSE. What is CBSE Science Challenge and how you are going to participate in it? It is an initiative to generate curiosity, inquire, and higher order thinking among learners. The board is organizing the CBSE Science Challenge for students of classes 8th to 10th. This is available on Diksha platform from 21st December 2020 to 11th January 2021. What are the steps which can be used by the student to participate in this challenge? A student can access the course by Diksha portal or by simply downloading the Diksha app. By downloading the Diksha app, you will be getting two options. First, either you can go for English or either you can go for Hindi. I am going for the English. See, I have touched this link where English course is provided. I have got Chrome. I am going to use the Chrome for opening this link. After that, I am going to use the Chrome browser to surf the existing website. Now you are able to see the page. It is written welcome to Diksha login. Either we can log in by entering our email address or by mobile phone number. So first we have to register here. I am going to touch on register here. Register myself by selecting my date of birth. You choose your own date of birth. Name. My name is Vaibhav Jaiswal. You can see that there are two options. Either you can use your mobile number or you can use your email ID. So I am going to use my mobile number for the verification purpose. Enter your password. Please enter your password so that you could log in afterward also. So you could make a strong password like one DIKSHA Diksha app 123 at the rate 1 D capital DIKSHA 123 at the rate. So I have chosen a password also. See, 1 Diksha app 123 at the rate. Password should be same. So kindly see your password which you have made 1 DIKSHA APP 123 at the rate. You can use different password. I am just suggesting you. After that, please put tick mark on here and see the captcha. After that, you are going to get a registered mark. Please touch on register yourself. Wait for some time. Now you are going to get a one-time OTP on your mobile number. See, I have got an OTP that is 675117. 675117. Submit the OTP. Now you are being asked for the password. First, write down your mobile number 7985291597. Kindly use your own mobile number. Don't write down my mobile number. 1TIKSHAAPP123 I am now going to log in for the to the Diksha app by this password. You can simply open your Diksha app after downloading it from the Play Store. Choose English, continue. Welcome to Diksha. You are a teacher, student, or other. We are students because we are going to do Science Challenge 2020. So touch on student. Now you will get select your board. Your board is CBSE board. Submit. Select your medium. Medium is English. Submit. Select the class for which you are going to give your CBSE Science Challenge 2020. Suppose I am a student of class 10th. So I have chosen class 10th. Submit again. Continue. Touch on the continue button. Wait for some time. Now select your state. Your state is Uttar Pradesh. Submit. Select your district. Our district is Prayagraj. Submit. Now at the last, submit the whole process. Now see, we have chosen our class. First we have to see whether we have made our profile or not. See, profile is not made. So kindly write your full name, subject, which subject? Science, because we are going to give science quiz. Now submit, and guest name, you have to write down your own name which you want to be printed while you are going to receive a certificate. My name is Vaibhav Jaiswal, so I have written Vaibhav Jaiswal. CBSE NCERT English class 10 science. This is mandatory for each and individual student. Your profile must be in the updated form. Okay. After coming to the courses, you have to choose CBSE training module 1. From here you are going to join courses. See, you must log in to access your course detail. Click on the login. Now your password which you have created earlier, please put down that password, your phone number and your password 7985291597. Password was 1 DIKSHAAPP123 at the rate. You remember this password as I have created it earlier also. See, we are getting things ready. Please wait. After that, please select your board, that is CBSE Medium English. Select your class for which you are going to give Science Challenge 2020. I am selecting the class 10th. Now save this details. Profile updated successfully. After that, you are going to see by default your state I have selected earlier, Uttar Pradesh Prayagraj. Submit. Profile successfully updated. Now we are going to come to our courses and join the course. See, your progress is 0% because we have not started our course. First module is start learning. Okay, we are now going to see the video. This is our first video, that is known as module number 1.
Part 1, Competency Based Education. Module 1.
See student, after you have seen your first video, you will get this type of menu. You have to click on go to next. Your progress report is 0 by 9. See, you can see your progress report on the top. Continue learning. See, which among the following statement is incorrect? You have to choose a particular option and just by clicking on this arrow move forward. You have to read your question and give the correct answer. I am just doing it so that video length is not too much. This option which you are seeing here at the bottom is what if you have chosen an from multiple choice question, if you have chosen one option, then by simply touching it you can deselect it. See, I have chosen third option and I am thinking that third option is not correct, then I am going to at the bottom you are going to see that this round circle, you have to touch this and your option will be deselected. Okay, you have to do like this. See, submit. Your module 1.1 practice paper is also solved. Now you have to go to the next. After that, see, progress report 2 by 9 are completed. Now learning. Like this you have to do all the modules. So I am just, see, you have to see and you have to do all the modules. Next. Continue learning. You have to repeat this process again and again so that you are able to see all the thing.
Part 2. How?
Now students, see, our progress report is 8 by 9 completed. Now I am going to do continue learning. It is loading our content. So this was the 1.3y competency based education I have seen. So I am going to do the next. Now cancel content not available. Students, after completing your competency based education module 1, you have to go to the competency based education module 2. So I am touching in module 2. Then again you have to do the same step which you have done in the previous. You have to join. Now you have joined the course. Your video will be started. By repeating the same step, see, competency based education module 2 we have completed. See, you have successfully completed this course. Now going back, and we are now going to do competency based education module 3. We have to join the course. Repeat the same step which we have done for the competency first, second, and now for same for the third. You have to see the video, you have to see the documentary, you have to see this all these things which are coming, and after that you have to go to next. Repeat this process again and again. Okay, in this way you can also see your progress is 5%. Then continue learning, you have to do this thing every time. See, if video comes you have to see the whole video. After that your progress report will automatically be 5, 10, 15, 20. In percentage it is
Part
going
1.
to be increased.
Base pedagogy.
After completing your module 3, you will receive you have successfully completed this course. Then going back, view more, competency based education module 4. Click on this, touch on this, see, join course. Now see your profile details, Vaibhav Jaiswal user ID, district, block, school ID, school name. This you can edit these details from your profile page. Go to the profile page and edit, write down your district, block and all these things. So I am going to do back, okay. Start learning. See, next. You have to repeat all those steps which you have repeated for first, second, third, and for fourth also you have to do the same thing. In this way our fourth module has also been completed. Now student, you need to click on CBSE Science Challenge. Wait for some time as the page is been loading. See, CBSE Science Challenge. You need to play this video. Module is running. Content is being loading. Wait for some time. See, CBSE Science Challenge page has been popped out. Move to the forward icon which is on the right side. Terms and condition, please read the terms and condition. Move to the forward, then forward button. You have total 40 minutes and 45 questions. Each question is of 1 marks, so total marks is 45. No negative mark will be allotted. Please read the instruction to the candidates and after that just click on to the forward button. Write your school name, that is Sri Mahaprabhu Public School. Then school type is other, O. Then click on to the forward button. How to take the quiz, these are the instructions. Please see it carefully. Then move to the next. So timer has been started on the top. First question is, a chemical formula is the simplest representation of the ratio of the element to 1. So suppose I tick on this, and if I thought that this is not the right answer, then at the bottom you are able to see this restore button. Touch on this and your option will be cleared. So now I am going to select for this. Move to the forward. After reading the whole question and putting your answer, then at the last you are going to get your whole total marks and the attempted question. After that you will be going to get your certificate. So please do this carefully by reading, as I am just doing this so that I could tell you how you are going to solve your quiz and how you are going to get your certificate. Now students, see, I have reached to the last question and I am just touching on this forward icon. See, score is 16, time, everything has been noted down. So I am just going to close this and I will be getting my certificate on the Diksha app. See, opening the Diksha app. See, my score is 21. Time taken 2 minutes 35 seconds. Okay, so I have completed my science challenge. After that I am going to previous slide and I will be getting my certificate within short span of time. For certificate you have to go to the profile section. Okay, see, CBSE science challenge is ongoing.